Best front-load washing machine. Number 1. AK-A-Fit front-load washing machine. If you're looking for the best front-load machine, then it's worth taking a look at the AK-A-Fit washing machine. It gives you several benefits that come as part of standard. The way it washes clothes is important to a lot of people, which is critically important when comparing washing machines in 2018. This particular model has a fairly standard set of features, but they all go together in a very effective way. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2, LG front-load washing machine. When looking for a log-load washer and dryer combo, I always recommend LG. This is due to their reputation of quality products. The one model I recommend over all others is the WM3998 front-load washer and dryer combo. This unit receives great reviews from people and has been included in many best log-load washer and dryer reviews. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3, GE front-load washing machine. I really like this washing machine because it's large enough to handle my massive loads of laundry perfectly. I don't have to worry about running out of room because this is a 5.0 cubic foot washing machine that can hold 64 bath towels or any other large household item at once, like pillows, sheets, and more. I also like that I can control the temperature and fabric selection with a digital display and remote control. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4, Samsung front-load washing machine. Samsung's 5.5 cubic feet Flex Wash top-load washer features an advanced vibration control system that helps reduce vibration noise by 75%. The powerful 3,300 RPM motor produces great cleaning performance, and the multi-motion wash cycles get clothes cleaned deeper and faster to prevent resoiling. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5, Samsung front-load washing machine. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.